Hello, my name is Anupriya. In this session, we are going to learn that how can we improve our vocabulary. Alright, I would like to ask you one thing. That once we are going to learn English and we are in the beginning stage, so what we need all to speak good English? We need so many beautiful sentences to speak. But before sentences, it is all about having a lots of words in our bag that will be helpful to construct the sentences. So the initial stage is for learning a good English, having a lots of words in your mind, alright, which is your natural dictionary that you carry every time. So in this session, I will introduce you with few remedies, because definitely learning vocab, learning more words is a problem in itself that we consider. So that's why I will introduce you with few remedies that is going to definitely help you out in this problem. So first thing or first method that I want you to let you know, that is use the practical words. Means relate yourself with those things that is used in your daily routine life. Since morning when you get up, what you see around you, what you notice, that is, suppose if you are getting up or you're leaving your bed, so you need your slipper to wear, alright, you are just doing the beds and all, you are putting the bed sheet somewhere, so you are doing bedding, you are just wrapping up your bed sheet, you are watching at watch or clock, then you are trying to find out your toothbrush. So these kind of small words which are very basic and natural and you frequently use, try to speak those words in the English, not in your native language. So it will naturally give a push to your tongue to speak the words of English in itself very quickly and fastly. Second comes, which is also very essential, try to find out or learn the synonym of the same word. How? Suppose if I am trying to know about something, so I am very keen to know something, alright? Keen is a word, but same word can be said or expressed in a different way or different manners. I am very eager to know about this. I am very curious to know about this. I am very anxious to know about this. So once I have an intention to know about something, I have discovered or learned a word keen, and I found out more siblings of the same word. So naturally my vocab has been multiplied in a different manners. So this is how I am helping myself to improve my vocab more, and I am adding more words in the dictionary of my mind. Alright, the third thing which I want to introduce you, use it frequently and immediately. Alright, I am not telling you to force yourself to pick a word from the dictionary or to read a heavy novel and just go for such kind of words that is improving your vocab. Suppose in your office there is your native speaker who speaks good English, or there are a lot of people around you, they must be using good words which is very natural and frequent, and those words are used on a regular basis. So you have heard a word today, excellent. If you have been encountered with the word disgusting, which is a bad word, but definitely we face bad situations also in our life. So each word fall in your ear, try to implement all those words according to its situation. Hey, it was wonderful. Alright, hey, it was excellent. You are praising someone by saying these words, alright? Because once you are listening those words from the mouth of someone, you definitely adopt that, yes, this right situation of speaking this word is this. So in this manner, once you listen any word, immediately speak it according to its situation. Alright, that will also help your mind to improve your vocab, because mind is a very good machine. You need not to put a lot of effort. Only the practice and implementation of any task will help you actually doing that word on a regular basis. The last one which I have in my list is word of the day. Here actually I am just suggesting you that you should put some effort In all three methods, I haven't said you that you need to force yourself to learn something. But this is the place where you actually need to put a bit effort and put some time for yourself. What is that? Just assume there are 30 days in a month. Okay, forget about the month. 7 days in a week. You are picking single word in a day. Suppose I have picked a word sabbatical. Big one. But just to improve my vocab in a good manner, I just want to master myself in a huge vocab and heavy vocab. So I have put a word sabbatical, which means a big gap. So I note it down somewhere. It may be my notebook, it may be my mind. And again I am practicing that word. So word of the day. Keep this method running on with your practice on daily basis. 7 days, 7 words. 30 days, 30 words. 365 days and imagine huge collection. So in this way, you can help yourself improving your vocab in a very easy way. And 2 exercises I just want to introduce you. If you are really willing to improve your vocab. So first exercise I want to let you know that fix a place on your notebook. Take out few pages. I'm not telling you to tear out few pages. I'm just telling you that fix 3 or 4 pages in your notebook. Start writing down 3, 4, 5 words, whatever words are running in your mind. And once you start writing whatever words occurs at that place on the same time, just mention those words on your notebook. Every day, do this every day. You will see that after few days there will be so many words on your notebook and you will be actually surprised to know that, oh my god, I was already knowing such a lot of words. Second exercise is that sit on a place, take a pen and paper and just set your clock for 5 minutes. Alright? And focus that in 5 minutes how many words can I write with a rapid speed. And once 5 minutes is over, just count these words. Definitely you will see a huge improvement in just improving your vocab, because every day you are listening a lots of things. Alright? What you are not doing, only the implementation of those words. So once you are following all these things, definitely I'm telling you, I'm sure that you are going to rock in terms of speaking good English word on daily basis. So best of luck.